This is a video from section 1.1 in a linear algebra class. A linear equation is an equation that can be written in the form a sub 1 x sub 1 plus a sub 2 x sub 2 plus all the way through until a sub n x sub n equals b. X sub 1, x sub 2 through x sub n are variables. A sub 1, a sub 2 through a sub n are coefficients, either real or complex. And then b is constant. Examples of linear equations. Number 1, we can have 4x sub 1 minus 5x sub 2 plus 3x sub 3 equals 1. So notice how x sub 1, x sub 2, and x sub 3 are all of degree 1. And it is written in that format, right? It is written in this form. Right here. If we take a look at the second example, notice that we have x sub 2 equals 2 times square root of 6 minus x sub 3 plus 5i x sub 1. Now remember, I is the square root of negative 1. Now we can move the variables over to the left side of the equation and have the number left on the other side, right? So we can absolutely write example 2 in this format. And so I claim number 2 is also a linear equation. Now, the following equations are not linear. Number 1, 4x sub 1 minus x sub 2 times x sub 3 equals x sub 4. And the reason why this is not linear is because we have two variables being multiplied together. Here's another one. Suppose I had 2 square root of x sub 1 plus x sub 2. Let's make that x sub 2. And I'll set that equal to 3x sub 3. That is also not a linear equation. And the reason why is because I'm taking the square root of x sub 1. Here's another one. Suppose I had x sub 1 squared plus x sub 2 minus 5x sub 3 plus 4x sub 4 equals 11. Now, x sub 2, x sub 3, and x sub 4 are all fine. They're of degree 1. The problem occurs in the first term. Notice how x sub 1 is being squared, right? It's not of degree 1. And since it's not of degree 1, it is not a linear equation. And that'll do it for this video. We looked at the definition of a linear equation. We looked at some examples of linear equations, and we looked at some examples of equations that are not linear. Okay, thank you.